it's Lily here. So today I'll be showing you guys how to recreate this look. If you're interested, please keep on watching. First thing we're doing is the eyebrows. I'm using my ColourPop Brow Boss eyebrow pencil in the shade Soft Black. I usually outline my eyebrows first, and usually I start on the bottom of my eyebrows, then I move on to the top. This is a good way to shape your eyebrows the way you want it. After you've outlined your eyebrows, go ahead and fill it in and then use the spoolie brush. Keep repeating these steps until, of course, you're satisfied with the shape and color of your eyebrows. I like to use a Q-tip to clean around my eyebrows just to give it a cleaner look. Here I'm using my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Beige as a primer and a base. I like to do this because I feel like the eyeshadows show better. I'm just using a flat brush to apply the concealer all over my eyelids. And of course, I'm using my Beauty Blender by Real Technique just to blend out the concealer for an even base. I am using my Tarteist Pro palette by Tarte. If you don't have this palette, that's completely fine, just as long as you have the same eyeshadow shades that I'll be using today. The first eyeshadow I'm using is called Innocent. I'm using my small angled brush just to apply it all over my eyelid. This will set the concealer in place, and it will also help me get a smoother surface so that I can blend my eyeshadows better. Go ahead and take a fluffy brush. I'm using my Morphe M139 brush, and I'm dipping that on the Whimsy shade of the palette. Apply that on the crease area and go a little bit above it because this will be our transition color. The brush I'm using is my Morphe M4333 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and take the Glam shade from the palette and apply the eyeshadow on the lower part of my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna use my Morphe M507 brush and take the shade Smoked, which is a darker shade of brown, and I'm gonna apply that focusing on the outer V of my eyelids. Take a black eyeliner. Here I'm using my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof black eyeliner to tightline my eyes to create a fuller looking lashes. Also, go ahead and take a liquid eyeliner. Of course, I'm using my L'Oreal the Super Slim liquid eyeliner in the color black just to create a small winged eyeliner. If you have hooded eyes like me, it is very important that you keep your eyeliner really thin so that when you look straight ahead, you're still able to see the gold eyeshadow that we applied. A good tip when you're doing your eyeliner is to do small multiple lines instead of one long line. For me, I like to start off at the inner corner of my eyes and then I work my way to the outer corner. And once I've done that, I like to create the wing part of the eyeliner and then connect them. Go ahead and take your eyelash curler and curl your lashes. Here I'm using my, I think this one is my e.l.f. eyelash curler. And of course, take your favorite mascara. Right now, I'm using the Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. And go ahead and apply that on your eyelashes. Okay, use a small tapered brush. I'm using my Morphe M431 brush and go back to the Glam eyeshadow, which is the glittery eyeshadow that we've used, and we're gonna use that to apply in the inner corners of our eyes. Take a smudge brush. I'm using my Morphe M213 brush and I'm gonna take both Smoked and Whimsy shade and I'm gonna apply that below my waterline. I'm gonna take another smudge brush and I'm gonna dip it on the classic shade and I'm gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. The brush I'm using is the smudge brush by e.l.f. I feel like this look won't be complete without false eyelashes, so I'll be back. I was feeling adventurous with my foundation today, so I decided to use a foundation I've never used before. This one is by Tarte. It's their Face Tape Foundation in the shade 35N, which is medium neutral. This foundation is a little thicker than what I'm usually used to. A little definitely goes a long way, so make sure that you only do 2 pumps instead of 3 pumps because I ended up not using the whole thing. Don't forget to set your foundation with a translucent powder. I've also applied blush and bronzer and of course lipstick.